Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about a long-awaited update, the lossless tag on Spotify. What it means, how it works, and whether it's really worth the hype. Let's talk about it. So it's finally happened. After years of waiting, Spotify has officially launched lossless audio, something they first promised way back when they announced Spotify Hi-Fi. As of now, Spotify premium subscribers are slowly getting access to this feature, which lets you stream songs up to 24-bit, 41.1 kilohertz using the FLAC codec. That's the same audio quality as a CD, and it's available for nearly every song in Spotify's massive 100 million track library. Now, if you see the lossless tag on a song, it simply means that the track is being streamed without compression or quality loss. In other words, you're hearing the music exactly as it was mastered in the studio. No data stripped away to make the file smaller. This is a big deal for audiophiles who care about clarity, detail, and dynamic range in their music. But let's clear something up. Spotify's lossless audio maxes out at 41.1 kilohertz, while other platforms like Apple Music and Tidal go all the way up to 192 kilohertz. And you might be wondering, why not go higher? Well, Spotify says most people can't actually tell the difference. Unless you have super high-end audio gear and trained ears, you're probably not going to notice much change between 41.1 and 192 anyway. Plus, keeping it at 41.1 helps save storage space and ensures better compatibility with most devices, especially since a lot of master tracks were originally recorded at CD quality anyway. So, how do you know if you have access to lossless audio? When Spotify rolls it out to your region, you'll get a notification in the app. Right now, it's available in countries like the US, UK, Netherlands, Japan, Germany, and Australia, with more rolling out through October. Now, here's something important. Lossless files are huge compared to regular compressed ones. That means they'll use more storage on your phone or computer, and streaming them will consume more data. Also, they might take slightly longer to load at first, and if you really want to hear the difference, make sure you're using wired phones or a DAC. Most Bluetooth earbuds, including AirPods, compress the audio signal, so even if the track says lossless, you're not actually hearing it lossless over Bluetooth. All in all, Spotify's lossless tag marks a major step up for music lovers who crave higher sound quality. It's not perfect, but for most users, audio will sound absolutely fantastic, especially on good wired headphones or speakers. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!